Understanding bullish and bearish in the financial world. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore two essential terms in the financial lexicon: bullish and bearish. These terms are pivotal for anyone interested in the stock market, investing, or understanding economic news. By the end of this video, you'll not only grasp what they mean but also how to use them to express market sentiment. Let's dive in. When someone says they are bullish on the stock market or a particular stock, they believe the value is going to increase. The term comes from the way a bull attacks, moving upwards with its horns. In a bullish market, prices are rising or expected to rise. Investors who are bullish might invest more money, anticipating that they'll make a profit from the increasing values. It's a term that signifies optimism and confidence in the market's future performance. Conversely, bearish is the exact opposite. If someone is bearish, they expect the market to fall. This term is derived from how a bear attacks, swiping down with its paws. In a bearish market, prices are falling or expected to fall. Investors who are bearish may sell off their investments to avoid losses or might invest in options that will profit if the market declines. Being bearish reflects a pessimistic view of the market's future. 1. Describing market sentiment. These terms are often used to describe the general sentiment of the market. A financial news report might say, "Investors are bullish on technology stocks," indicating a widespread belief in their potential growth. 2. Personal investment decisions. You might use these terms when discussing your own investment strategy. For example, "I'm bullish on renewable energy stocks," means you're optimistic about their future value. 3. Analyzing economic trends. Analysts use bullish and bearish to describe the state of the economy or specific sectors. For instance, being bearish on real estate could indicate a belief in upcoming downturns in property values. Thank you for joining us to uncover the meanings behind bullish and bearish. Remember, these terms are more than jargon. They express investor sentiment and market trends. Whether you're reading financial news or considering your investment strategy, understanding these concepts will help you navigate the financial world with greater confidence. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one. Stay curious and keep learning.